Next, we have our welding and fabrication program under the direction of Mr. Steve Connor. Starting out, Charles Arnett III, career certificate and is AWS certified. Joseph Arthur from Shawnee, career certificate, AWS certified. Brooke Cook from Bath, her career certificate and her forklift license. Brandon Dardio from Elida, his career certificate and AWS certified. Brooke Downing from Bath, her career certificate and forklift license. Briar Dunahay from Bath, his career certificate, AWS certified. David Evans from Bluffton, career certificate and AWS certified. Ricky Mears from Elida, career certificate and AWS certified. Tyler Poley from Bluffton, his career certificate and AWS certified. Jacob Reisner from Waynesfield Goshen, his career certificate and AWS certified. Seth Rumer from Allen East, his career certificate and AWS certified. You can tell they don't get along in class at all.